Hey everybody, this is Brad Langdon again. I'm MarineMax Stewart. This afternoon we're going to walk through a 2026 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. We'll start at the helm with the two big Simrad multifunction displays, easily labeled and operated as switches. You have a tilt steering wheel here, your stereo remote here. Over here on the starboard side, you're going to have your digital throttle and shift, your joystick with skyhook controls. You have a fold-up bolster helm seat on the captain's chair, and off the porch you have a reversible seat back on both seats here that make into a very nice comfortable place to sit. You have a fold-up teak table here. Hey, looking to port, you will see a full galley with a refrigerator, Kenyan cooktop, and a wet bar with a freshwater sink. Up centerline forward, you're going to see your beautiful teak table, your V-berth with very comfortable cushions. To the starboard side, you're going to see your enclosed wet head with vacuum flush toilet. Very spacious for a 32-foot boat. Looking aft in the cockpit, you're going to find that you have a stainless steel refrigerator to starboard, a trash storage next to that, another wet bar area. Out back, you're going to have twin 400 Mercury Verados, great power plant. You also have your large painted live well. Fish boxes port and starboard on either side. You have your bilge area with machinery space here. This is a really neat feature on this boat as well. You have your, if I can get it out, the grill tucked away, easily stored. That's going to be your 325 Conquest. If you'd like to stop by and see it, please do so. Again, it's Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stewart, 704-215-3599.